Aduje. You have heard of Adufe, Aduke, Adugbe, and what have you. But have you heard of Aduje? It is very rare, yet very meaningful. There are two main words in that Oriki, the verbs do and je. Do is a word that means to compete or to scramble, to struggle for something. Je simply means to answer, as we have in the word aje, the one who answers, the one who lets something be, or the one who permits anything je. But that, by the way, who is an Aduje? An Aduje is a child whom many shall scramble and compete to answer whenever he calls. The child that whenever he or she calls for help or for anything, many people shall scramble. They shall compete to answer. If this child calls upon 2 people for assistance, 200 people shall compete to assist the child. A name with a very strong prophecy. You are going to be so valuable, so loved, that even people who don't know you will compete just to answer you whenever you call. Do you now agree with me that that is a very beautiful Oriki that must never go into extinction? Aduje, Wàá Ṣere.